We're starting with an overview, quick overview of the whole exhibit. There's my husband hiding in the background. Okay, and now we're gonna slow things down and show some detail. This piece is called Double Exposure. A lot of family heirlooms in that piece. And this is comfort food. An old window and a couple of kitchen cabinet drawers form the base. A lot of layers, shadows, dimension. This is Not Your China Doll. It was based on the mass shooting in Atlanta, Georgia, of the Asian sex workers who are just doing their jobs. Kind of how Western men fetishize Asian women. I like how the shadows are just multiplied. The body I cast in resin and lit. Here we have double shift, double play, a diptych. This one is stands off the wall about 4 inches, so we have a lot of depth and shadows going on. Lots of projections of the colored film, transparencies. And onto American Dream, flanked by Reverberations 1 and 2. American Dream I did for my Ontario Museum of History and Art solo show, based on my grandparents' experience. It's really about shadows and projections. So I did the 2 accompanying pieces just for the show. I wanted them very ethereal, transparent, light, floating, because these are kind of echoes of generational trauma, just whispers. And I never really dealt with all that until that Ontario show. My little hand-painted 50s pinup there. And this is Fallout, all hand-painted. Back when I did some photorealism, I used an old painting, cut that up, and then painted the background. We have whitewash here. The geisha figure was all hand cut out of wood. Standard beauty, talking about the Western ideals of beauty, which a lot of Asians are pressured to emulate. Expectations, kind of the Asian stereotype of the model minority and the expectations we try to live up to, the pressure of that. So exotic. I used to get that a lot. What's your nationality? Where are you from? The face is printed on plexiglass and the reflection is on a concave mirror, so it shifts a lot there as you move around. And last, can you see me? Kind of how sometimes I felt invisible as an Asian American